Attorney General Pam Bondi to head the Second Amendment Task Force. President Trump issued an executive order back in February protecting American Second Amendment rights and to review the infringements by the Biden administration from 2021 to early 2025. We didn't see much traction from that executive order, but this finally may be some progress from Attorney General Bondi. I'm going to stay positive and keep an open mind. Let's see what Attorney General Bondi has to say. Here's Attorney General Pam Bondi's statement regarding the creation of the Second Amendment Task Force. The prior administration placed an undue burden on gun owners and vendors by targeting law-abiding citizens exercising their Second Amendment rights. The Department of Justice's new Second Amendment Task Force will combine department-wide policy and litigation resources to advance President Trump's pro-gun agenda and protect gun owners from overreach. This follows the Department of Justice and ATF's Monday repeal of the Enhanced Regulatory Enforcement Policy and the review of the final rule related to stabilizing braces and final rule related to the definition of engaging in the business of firearm dealing. Here's a memorandum from the Office of the Attorney General regarding the Second Amendment Task Force. For too long, the Second Amendment, which establishes the fundamental individual right of Americans to keep and bear arms, has been treated as a second-class right. No more. It is the policy of this Department of Justice to use its full might to protect the Second Amendment rights of law-abiding citizens. President Trump has made protecting the Second Amendment rights a priority for this administration. As he explained, the Second Amendment is an indispensable safeguard of security and liberty because it is foundational to maintaining all other rights held by Americans. To that end, President Trump has directed me to propose a plan of action designed to protect the Second Amendment rights of all Americans. As one element of a comprehensive plan of action that I am proposing to the President, I am hereby creating a Second Amendment Task Force. This task force will continue the Department's ongoing work of implementing Executive Order 14206 to protect the fundamental rights secured by the Second Amendment. The task force is principally charged with developing and executing strategies to use litigation and policy to advance, protect, and promote compliance with the Second Amendment. My own personal opinion is this is underwhelming progress from Attorney General Pam Bondi. Originally, she was given 30 days, and this has been 9 weeks, and the progress that she came up with is creating a task force. I find that underwhelming personally. I think that there's plenty easy wins that they could be getting, but in the end, we need to win more seats in the House and the Senate.